Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. So today in my video, I am going to share with you. Actually, I would like to tell you my experience. How did I learn English at home and alone? Actually, when I started learning English, so that times I didn't have any person with whom I can speak English, with whom I can have the practice more. So that's why I would like to tell you everything. So first of all, I would like to tell you before starting the video, for delaying the time, let's jump into the video. So first of all, I would like to tell you how to learn English at alone, how to learn English at home and alone. So first of all, you should keep the goal. Okay, first of all, you should clear the goal, because why are you learning English? Do you have a purpose behind it? Because you are learning English. Okay, so I think this is a very important thing before learning the English. So actually when I started learning English, so that times I decided I should have the practice, because speaking English was my passion since school days. So that times I couldn't learn English because of some reason. This times I have a good platform, as a good opportunity to learn English. So that's why I am learning English. So I am here. So because I would like to tell you everything, as my having practice, as my experience. So everything I would like to tell you. So and second thing, you should keep in your mind, actually when you start speaking English, so that times you should have the practice. Okay, without practice you can't achieve your goal. Okay, because when I started learning English, so that times I learned everything related to grammars. I was familiar with all the grammar concept, but when it comes to speak English with other persons, so that times I got stuck because of my lack of practice. So then I am going to tell you, practice is very necessary. Without practice you can't achieve your goal, you can't speak English. Okay, and because now it's question rise, because I am learning English at home and alone. So how to learn English? So please, okay, wait, okay, patience. So because I am going to tell you some resources as a online. Okay, actually there are so many application on Play Store. You can download and then you can start in your conversation in English. Actually I have a lots of applications, uh, which I used, because even I am using those applications. So first of all, I would like to tell you AC Fluently application and Hello application, because those are very important for speaking English. Whatever I have learned through those applications, so you should apply in your speaking journey. And you can speak English with different peoples. Okay, so you should download some application for improving English, because when I didn't have, then I didn't have any person, with whom I can have the practice more. So that times I started downloading these applications, and then I started using applications. So that's how I started speaking. Okay, so that's why I am telling to you, you should use those application, and those are very important and very good for improving English. Okay, and and next one, you should immerse yourself in English language. Okay. And if you don't have any partner, if you don't have any person, so you can speak with yourself, you can watch English video, you can speak with yourself. And you I think you can apply any phone, as a WhatsApp, as a Facebook, everything you can use in English. Okay. So I think immerse yourself in English language. Okay. And please, avoid some days to Hindi. And all the time speaking, as watching, as a reading. Okay. So next point I have listening, watching, as reading. Okay. Those are very important. Okay. Actually, when I started learning English, so that times only I I used to learn grammar portion, but I I didn't use to listen and reading. So because that times when I when it comes to listen English videos, so that times I couldn't listen properly. So I think then I realized I should more much listening. Okay. And watching English video, so that times, so then I will be perfect in my speaking way. So I think speaking is very good part of speaking, as far as I know. Okay. So you should more much listening and watching. And another thing, reading. Okay. I think reading is also important, but I think reading is very boring part for me, because when I started reading, so that times I get bored immediately. But this times I am trying to read more much, book. So because this time I can speak English well, I have very good knowledge about grammar, about English structures. But but I don't have more much, and I don't have strong vocabulary. So that's why I get stuck while speaking English with other person. So according to me, you should more much reading, as a newspaper, as a book, as a articles. There are so many article content on YouTube. Okay. So you should read. Okay. And another thing, okay, because English is our second language. English is not our native language. So you should learn grammar and vocabulary. Okay. Actually, without grammar, you can't speak English. But I'm not telling to you, you should learn grammar, all part of grammar. You should learn only tense and passive, and after that you can start speaking. As well, your vocabulary, as because without vocabulary you can't speak English. Okay. Because I am facing this problem, so that's why I am telling to you, please listen to you carefully. Okay. Vocabulary is a very important part of speaking. Without vocabulary you can't speak English. Okay. So another thing, you should speaking and speaking, I think speaking are very important, even because when you don't speak more much, so you can't speak English. So if you have get that time, so that time you can start speaking with yourself, as a you can use any application. So please, as much as you can speak. So another thing, I think it's very important, you know it's very important, who want to get in your life, be patient. Okay. If you don't have more much patience, I think you can't speak English. Patience is very important. Okay, some guys say something like this: you can learn English within 1 month and 2 month and 3 month. It's impossible. You can't speak English within couple of months. Okay, please try to speak more, try to have the practice more, and then you will be perfect. Because I have been learning English for 1 year ago. So after that, I can speak English well, but I'm not that good. Okay, I am trying to learn English. I am learner. So please avoid these things from your mind. You can learn English within 1 month, 2 month and 3 month. Okay, so please be the patience. If you have a patience, definitely you will be perfect in English. And another thing, consistency. Okay, consistency is very important. Okay, you have a more much consistency, you have practice regularly, so then definitely you will be perfect. Okay, so in the end, I would like to tell you, if you are really interested to speak English, okay, so please follow those steps who told you. So in the end, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me. So please do the comment and do the like. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.